In some people's eyes, Jacinta Ngobese can do no wrong. Since she got rid of illegal immigrants, especially in KwaZulu-Natal, crime has gone down. Some people are getting employed, so employment is good. And in their eyes, Jacinta Ngobese is basically a saint. She can never do no wrong. Even though she has worked or is working with AfriForum, they say that doesn't matter as long as she got rid of illegal immigrants. And at this point, I'm really worried because is she like some kind of god or something like that? Because even right now, she's saying that the land issue, apartheid, she doesn't want to talk about that. Basically, she doesn't care about land. So are we as South Africans not caring about land at the moment? Is the land issue not an issue anymore? Do we have to always focus on illegal immigrants? Is that the most important thing at the moment? That Jacinta Ngobese can never do no wrong as long as she's focusing on illegal immigrants.
Doing or left wing. We're a movement, and as a movement, we interact with any and every organization that has the interest of what we're trying to do, which is to fix the borders and to fix the illegal immigration issue. We're not there to talk about land and talk about apartheid or even be trained at how to, hate black people. It's none of that. What we need to extract, we'll extract, and then it ends there, and we'll work where work needs to be done.
Yes, I know illegal immigration is not the only thing that she's focusing on at the moment, because she's working with AfriForum apparently to build universities for South Africans, namely Zulu people, Tswanas. Like every tribe should have their own university, which is somewhat of kind of like a division, right? Because in South Africa, we wouldn't want like a Zulu university. And that's what many people have been calling her out for, saying that she's being tribalist when she's saying that there should be a Tswana university, there should be a Zulu university. Shouldn't there just be a black university? Like we know many universities at the moment, University of Johannesburg, Witwatersrand, Wits, University of Cape Town, they were built during apartheid and they were built by Europeans. So does it make a difference when we make our own universities and those universities are Zulu, Tswana? It should just be a black university, right? Or a black built university. Even then, it wouldn't make much of a difference, because even Europeans would go to that university. Even Chinese people, even Indians would go to that university. The only difference there, it was built maybe by Jacinta. You get what I mean? So like her building a university shouldn't be, inspired by Afrikaner people, because those ones, when they build universities, they have this thing of saying that Afrikaner and Afrikaner university.